President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Dr. Warren Blake, has failed in his bid for the presidency of the North America, Central America and Caribbean NACAC Athletics region. After receiving only 2 votes in the first round of voting, Dr. Blake pulled out of the presidential race. Bahamian Mike Sands won the presidency after receiving 14 votes, 2 more than Alain Jean-Pierre of Haiti, while Claudia Perez of Mexico got 5 votes. Sand replaces Victor Lopez, who served as president since 2013. Lopez did not seek re-election. Ephraim Serret of Trinidad and Tobago had also joined Dr. Blake on the sidelines after copying 4 votes in the first round of voting. 3 Jamaicans, led by 400 meters hurdler Nikita Tracy, secured podium finishes at the European Permit Meet in Marseille on Tuesday. Tracy posted 55.53 seconds for the runner-up spot behind American rising star Sydney McLaughlin, who won in this season's second fastest time and her season's best 53.72 seconds. Commonwealth Games 3,000 meters steeplechase gold medalist Aisha Prout-Lair returned the season's best 4 minutes 06.11 seconds for third in the 1500 meters. Ethiopia's Tigist Katima won the event in 4 minutes 05.09 seconds, while Britain's Melissa Courtney was second in 4 minutes 05.37. World Championship bound long jumper Tisana Hickling cut the sand at 6.70 meters to take third in the event behind American winner Katie Hall, who did 6.78 meters. Now, the Reggae Boys, who are contesting their 3rd consecutive CONCACAF Gold Cup semi-final, will seek to take part in as many finals when they take on title holders, the United States, on Wednesday at the Nissan Stadium in Nashville, Tennessee. The game starts at 8:30 p.m. Jamaica time. The two met at this same stage in 2015, with Jamaica beating the U.S. 2-1, the first and only time since 2003 that the U.S. have failed to progress to the final. 2 years ago, they met in the final with the U.S. winning 2-1. The Reggae Boys got to the last 4 after a 1-0 win over Panama, while the USA beat Curacao by a similar margin to set up Wednesday's encounter.
Here and there, especially in the middle of the park, which is a concern. The last game against Panama, I think we failed to connect from the middle to the final third, and it's always a concern. But as I said before, we are here to grind out results regardless of the situation, and come tomorrow will be no different.
The Jamaicans will go into the game without influential defender Damian Lowe, who is out on yellow card suspension. But coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore says they will have enough to cope.
It would be a major blow to the team, but we have to put that behind. We have 23 players here. They are here for a reason, so we just have to find the best suitable player to fit in his position, and we go out there and do the job that is at hand.